channel. Today we are going to be doing some decorated cookies. So I have two of my daughters.
Say poppin', what's poppin'? I'm back with another video.
Not on Mama Weesie channel. Go ahead. Okay, and with the decorated cookie, 3 will be doing the decorated cookies. And whoever decorated the best gets this lip. Mwah! Chocolate lips.
Chocolate. Oh, I said chocolate.
So, we're going to get started. And with that, I would like for y'all to comment down below, and I'm gonna want y'all opinion on who decorated the best. All right. So let's go. Y'all like our tablecloth? Hearts, hearts. Ooh, they really seal this up.
Because people be hungry at the stove.
Exactly, because I had somebody in the store, right? With
chip.
me at the store, and
Who was that?
oh, tearing up the stuff, that's good. And I had somebody at the store with me, and that person couldn't wait. They had to open up them people products right then. I wonder who I'm talking about.
Look,
Was that tape popping?
it can't be me.
Oh, this is nice.
What's the rules, Mother?
All right.
Wait
a minute.
What's the rules, Mama Weesie?
Okay, the rules are.
No.
Do we have any rules?
Yeah, no.
No, not really. There's no rule. Decorated. You see the cookies is shaped like hearts.
Is this icing real?
Okay.
Like, cute.
Are we just gonna start?
So we're just gonna start. I'm gonna use purple. So we have purple,
Is this real?
pink, and also red
And white.
and white. Okay. Quality time with the family. Family decorating some cookies for Valentines. Valentine's are coming. Where is it? Where is it? Valentine is coming. Where is it? Where is it? Valentine is coming. Where is it? Where is it? Valentine. Maybe I should have what to do with my video.
Why is she talking to me?
Exactly. Why is she talking to me?
I'm about to eat y'all.
Did she just eat the cookie? We're just like,
Cookie.
so what are you doing?
Oh, what am I doing?
Did you open up all of them? I just like, let me
I'm
see.
gonna make, no. I'm gonna make it look cute so I can decorate it.
You get a broken heart.
Oh my God.
It's like an effect.
Alright.
Okay. So now we have it open, and that's how I was going to start using. I'm going to use purple.
She said,
Oh my goodness. I have a Valentine.
I did not ask you.
She needs to sit down.
They don't want to. Why they don't? Every time I say I got a Valentine or I got something, they don't want to listen. Why?
Why?
Exactly. Why?
Why?
Why you don't want to hear? I have a Valentine.
Who?
Valentine is coming.
Who is the Valentine then? If you so called have a Valentine.
Y'all will see him.
Tomorrow?
Just wait.
Okay.
Wait on it.
Because they don't know me.
Because my Valentine is coming.
It's going to be real critical.
Alright.
She said real critical.
Can't be moving this thing around too much.
Can't be.
So I don't know if they can see that.
Okay, what you got? What you got going on, Mama Weezie?
That's how YouTubers be. They're like, okay, so we got this makeup product. Can y'all see? Okay.
All right.
Um,
Y'all know my word. I love you. Can y'all see it? I love you. My Weez Nation.
Alright, y'all. I think I did some.
Oh, that's pretty. Uh-oh.
Alright,
Let
so
me
this
see.
is one. This is one so far.
Ooh.
almost fall off the chair.
Woo.
The competition is really for these two. I'm not in it. But I'm not in this competition with the lips.
I don't want that lip, but like, if I win, I'm gonna give it away to somebody.
So yeah.
Somebody.
So now I'm about to start on my next cookie.
Why they got purple in
So
here?
do y'all have a Valentine?
She already said that.
Huh? She said what?
No,
'Cause I
she
sure
already
missed
asked.
that.
She already asked me. I was like, no, I don't got nobody.
I said her. I said do y'all.
I was supposed.
I'm asking.
I was supposed to, but yeah, nah.
Didn't ask me.
Right. You're probably gonna ask me tonight. I don't know.
Excuse what?
I
Got me
wonder
messed.
why
got
you
me
laughing
messed
because
up.
now you think that man coming in our house tomorrow. No, he ain't.
Is that my baby girl talking? She said my Valentine can't come in. I beg you, my child. So, Tay Poppin, do you have a Valentine? I ain't hear you saying
So
nothing.
they didn't ask me yet.
Yet.
I don't know.
Hey, if you're watching this, don't even think about it.
She want raw.
Huh? What you say, rock, paper, scissors? Oh.
No, I didn't
Okay. Here's my second cookie. What do y'all think? What do y'all think?
This is a boring. You're not supposed to be in first grade.
Okay,
art class.
you know what? I'm about to do a taste test, man. See what this cookie is all about.
Hard.
Oh, my teeth!
Yo,
My teeth!
what in the world? That was a hard break,
It was
man.
Oh my God.
Nah, Holmes.
I wonder how it tastes if I put it in the
Oven.
oven.
Yeah, that's gonna be the bomb.com.
You think it won't? You think it gets soft?
Yeah.
Oh.
Where the red at? You got the red?
Yeah, I got it.
I don't eat melons. You know what it tastes like? Like gingerbread. Right, Tania?
Nah.
Yeah.
Alright, there you go.
We didn't even get to try the gingerbread.
Alright, there you go.
And the icing. Icing.
Alright, Mom, it's not that good. You lying to them.
I just said, because it's so hard.
Cause it's so hard. I should sound like Gravellos.
Don't do that. Don't look at me.
Don't you be coming from me, girl.
Let's put together.
Okay.
My eye.
If y'all saw my video before, this one, or one before that, you see when I was saying about the mathematics? Now we got to say just spelling. Did she just say
She got the math bad.
how did you spell together? She gotta be joking.
But I feel like I'm in 4th grade again.
Oh, that's first.
Come on. We'll warm these up in the oven. I think I lost. I lost.
You look very creative to here.
No. I'm not an artist.
Alright, this one. It says together
Forever. She won.
Together. Wait.
Oh.
We gotta.
Wake up, give
Wait. So now. Oh, that was. Y'all out of pocket. Together. Get me that cookie. If y'all know what I'm talking about on TikTok, then y'all, it's crazy. I need that cookie.
When you try to go on,
Get me that
when
cookie.
you try to go on the website and then they be like, accept the cookies. There goes your cookies. Oh.
This little cookie was hard. I finished mine and I finished it.
This one say live life. With a side part.
They said live dust.
This one, I don't know what this one is. But this one, together.
I think I eat the cookie because I was hungry.
Together forever. Are we decorating all these? I'm confused.
No.
Uh-uh.
Okay.
Some is going to be inside.
So we're just having 3? That's it?
No, I have 2. I don't.
You have 2?
Yeah, I don't want to do another one.
Okay. So we have 2. Tania has 2. Shantae has 3. So she has 3 to choose, for us to choose which one is the winner for her. Tania has 2 to be chosen.
All right, y'all, I'm done. So, yo, this one mine looks like, okay. This is what mine look like. Okay. So, basically, this is the first one. So beautiful.
There you go.
And then, I think this one is my favorite. Look at that. What does the inside look like?
Reattach, deattach. And boom. My work.
You hear what you just said?
Reattach,
Reattach, detach, and then you was together for detach.
That's how it be in
I
real
want
life.
this one.
All right, guys.
It says live life.
Damn.
Oh, Lord. She got stuck to the chair.
All right, guys. I'm about to try my cookie.
All right, live
Wait.
life.
We gotta
Live life.
judge. Wait. What? Why she put that on my screen?
Live life, guys.
All right, wait, Tania. We have to judge. Oh my God. So, with Shantae has 3 cookies and Tania has 2. Stop.
I'm hungry.
She's
girl.
trying to eat the cookie. Put it down. Put it down. Cookie war. Cookie war.
Wow.
All right. All right.
Lipstick.
I know she ain't about to eat this icing.
Lipstick.
All right. Jesus. So, Tania cookie.
That tastes like medicine.
Jesus.
Taste.
Tania
Oh, it says cut off top.
See,
Too
I
small.
told you that.
No wonder why.
But anyway, that's why it's so hard to come out.
But I cut that one.
All right, are you ready?
It wouldn't came out right
This
above.
tastes like
Okay,
the
1, 2, 3.
Tastes like the doctor's office.
Tania,
Tastes like medicine.
2 cookies. I have Tania cookie.
Yeah.
Oh man, she has falling faces. And half the other cookie of Tania when she already took, she couldn't wait to bite into.
No, that's her design.
Oh, design or whatever she want to say. But there's also too.
No.
So y'all let me know in the comments.
All right, let me eat.
And this is Shantae's cookie. Oh, I have 3.
There.
Shantae's 3 cookie. Let me know in the comment whose cookie is the best.
Together forever.
All right. If y'all like this video,
And then we have.
Mama Weesie cookie. I love you, like I say. I love you. You love Oh, what? It's coming soon.
Goodbye.
Stay tuned.
In the studio?
Near you. So that's it for the cookie competition. So don't forget to comment down below and let me know who should get these lips. Who should get this chocolate lips? Comment down below. And I thank y'all for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. To let me know who should be getting lips. Mwah. And this is something good to do with your family. Look at this one here. Oh my God. You see, you like their little ears? Heart ears. Bye-bye, Weesie Nation.